I'm very proud and happy to introduce the ZwitterCo Evolution sanitary membranes for food and dairy process applications. These are the next generation of membrane technology due to their anti-fouling properties, which allows for a faster, easier clean.
There's been a long time that you go into the plant, you talk to the folks in the plant, and they say, "What's new?" And we've had to say nothing, because nothing has been new. What really gives me excitement about this particular product is that it is new. It's something we've been looking for some time. Can we use less chemistry? Can we get better life out of the system? Yes, that's achievable now.
We've worked with a major North American whey processor to do a complete economic analysis to look at the potential savings of ZwitterCo's anti-fouling technology. And what we found is just looking at the cleaning savings in reduced chemicals, less water, and less wastewater, and energy, there's savings of over $1,200 a year per 8-inch element that's possible with this technology. And the value of additional time that comes from the shorter cleaning and potential less protein loss is probably 10 times that of just the chemical savings.
With Evolution membranes, we'll be able to concentrate protein better, longer. We'll have sustainable flux better, longer, for more lifetime of the element itself.
ZwitterCo has 3 different membrane types available in the Evolution brand. RO for industrial product concentration or effluent concentration, FDA compliant superfiltration or SF membranes, perfect for high solids applications, and coming soon, our new protein concentration membrane, PCM, meant to replace 10 kilodalton membranes in dairy and plant protein concentration applications.
There's not a production manager in the world in a dairy plant that can't tell you what 15 minutes of his time is worth on production. If I can give him an hour, we're way ahead of the curve.